Let's factorize. Here's a question for today. How do you factorize such a question? So first we have to remember what factorization really is. So factorizing is more of taking out a common factor and seeing what we are left with. Now let's take this example. Let's say for example we have x plus 4x, I mean to say, write it 4x plus 4y, for example. And we are told to factorize. We are told to factorize. How do we then deal with this one? So factorization is basically about taking out a common factor. What is the common factor in this case? We have 4x plus 4y. What is it that is common here? We have 4, we have 4. So 4 is our common factor. And if out of this whole equation we have to cancel 4, what is it that we'll be left with? Let's cancel 4, let's cancel 4. What is it that we're left with? We are left with x plus y. So x plus y. And this makes our final answer. Or this is how we solve this question. Our answer consists of the common factor out here, which is 4, and also what remains, which is x plus y inside brackets. If you still don't understand, there's a full video I've made about factorizing. It's full of examples to help you understand. I'll leave the link in the description. And now back to the question. So the concept is still the same, solving this question. We take out a common factor and we see what we're left with. That's all we do. So in this case, it's t inside bracket x plus y, close bracket, plus 7 inside bracket x plus y, close bracket. So from checking this 2 plus this one here, what is it that is common? So there's x here and also x that side, and there's y here and also y that side. So it means that x plus y, or these two brackets here, are our common factor in this case. And so what do? We take out our common factor being x plus y. So if we take out x plus y, what is it that will be left with? If we cancel x plus y here and also x plus y here, what is it that we'll be left with? We will be left with t here, we'll be left with t here plus 7 here, because x plus y, they're both cancelled. So what do we do here? We take whatever we're left with, we say t plus 7. So this is our final answer. This is our final answer. Here's your own question to try. Open bracket x plus y, close bracket, plus k, open bracket x plus y, close bracket. You may pause and work it out. So how do we factorize this question? So we know factorizing is taking out a common factor. What is our common factor in this case? It is this here and this here. So it's x plus y, our common factor, plus, no, not plus, it's x plus y. Then if we take out x plus y out of this equation here, if you cancel x plus y, cancel, what is it that we left with? What is it that we left with? We are left with 1 plus k. Where is this one coming from? It comes from here. when we remove x plus y, what is it that we are left with? It's not 0, but it's 1. It's 1. So this makes our final answer. And that's all about today's video on factorization. If you found it helpful, please leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video.